Your roof will only perform to the level of the products from which it is made. The MRA requires all member companies meet defined material standards. These standards are based on verifiable testing protocol, well-documented building codes, and third-party research. Every metal used must comply to a pre-specified gauge or meet or exceed established codes of metal or alloy standards. There are many different types of metal substrates available to match any style preference. Roof substructure is an integral part of the roof system. It lies beneath the metal roof panels and serves two primary functions. One, it acts as a base to which the metal roof material is attached. Two, it also serves as a structural member, transferring what are called live and dead loads to the support structure. Examples of live loads are wind, snow, and rain, or foot traffic. Dead loads include the weight of the roof materials, including the roof deck itself. Other details include underlayment, fasteners, ventilation, curbing, and roof jacks. All these elements, when properly combined, will make for an attractive but tough and resilient roof that will stand up better to nature and circumstance than ordinary roofing options. Metal roofing is built to last and designed to impress. Let the Metal Roofing Alliance guide you through the re-roofing process. MRA is a nonprofit organization focused on assisting homeowners through education and awareness.